Good evening. Today is Tuesday, August 25, 2020. I am Sudarshan Sukhani. Every day in this webinar, we talk about intraday trading in the Nifty. We divide this talk into two parts. First, we review the plans we had for today, our actual performance, and the market's behavior vis-a-vis our plans. And then we discuss our plans for tomorrow. Let's review what happened today. It was not a very, let's say, a matching day today. Yesterday, I had said that the Nifty has had a trend day, and usually after a trend, choppy markets come. But it is possible that we may see follow through because the US markets and the European markets were both looking cheerful. It could be a rare occasion when there would be a follow through possible. So what we will do is we will buy the Nifty today, but not at the open, not at a breakout. We will buy the Nifty at a 40 to 50 point decline after the decline. Now what the market did, as I told you many times earlier, the markets keep on surprising us. They did nothing as per our expectations, I mean the market. The market opened higher, and then after the first 5 minutes it started falling. And then in the next 40-45 minutes it fell almost 90 points. Much more than what my anticipation was, looking at a 40-50 point decline. But remember, the market doesn't have to oblige us. It does what it wants to do. Now after a 90 point decline, there is always a question mark. Will we see a rally which will cover the 90 points and some more points so that there is a follow through? That was a doubtful question then, in the sense I did not know for sure whether this would happen. Because now to have a follow through on yesterday, the Nifty has to first go up 90 points so that it comes back to where it was. And then it has to rally some more so that it outperforms yesterday's high. That became very difficult. It leads a lot, because why would it fall so much if it was going to go up another 130-40 points after the fall? Anyway, be that it may, we did go and buy the Nifty once the Nifty stabilized at lower levels, and then it had made long lower shadows repeatedly. So we bought the Nifty around 11,461, and I put a stop at 11,425, which was, I think, was the low. And then a target at 95, 495. The Nifty went all the way to 493. By the time it was going up, crossing 70 and then crossing 80, I raised my stop to 11,440. There is no need to have a wide stop if the market is going in your favor. Tighten the stop. If the market is going to come down, at least you will lose less. And if the market is in a breakout mode, it will not come down. So if either it won't come down, in which case you are fine, or if it is going to fall again, then at least your stops have gone up. So that's how we set up the trade. It did not touch 95. The Nifty started falling. It came down to 11,440, triggered my stop loss. So there was a 21 point loss. That happens. Every day is not going to be a victory or a win. And then the Nifty fell for the second time. And then it made that Wyckoff spring, and then it bounced back again. I did not take the second trade. Usually if one trade has gone wrong, I'm happy. Intraday trading is just as stressful as it is. I don't have to take the second trade now. But if somebody had taken that Wyckoff trade, spring trade, that would have made some money. Not much, but a reasonable amount of money, because the Nifty then closed above 70. The buying was at 40, 41. So that trade would have been profitable, but I did not take it. One day I have already told you that maybe I hope I can create some special videos for people who are looking at charts. Let me see. Let me try. That's today. And that happens, I have already explained, every day is not a cheerful trend day where we catch the market mood perfectly. It's not supposed to happen. It cannot. Now tomorrow. Tomorrow is another one of those days where I have no idea what the markets will do. See, the market had the opportunity of a follow-through day today to go up higher. It did not take that opportunity. Actually, it had not one but two declines intraday. Now somebody is selling, and that selling was successful at least to some extent. The European markets opened stronger, and then as I speak to you, they have drifted down. They are still in the green, they are still higher, but they have given up a lot of their intraday gains. And I have no idea, the US markets have been rallying day after day. Will they rally today? That's a question mark again. So tomorrow is a completely uncertain day for me. It means I may not take a trade, or I may take a trade only after seeing the market tomorrow morning, which is not a good idea. Usually my best trades are the ones where I make a plan today and that plan is executed perfectly tomorrow. When I have to start thinking in the morning, what should I do, buy or sell, it means it's not going to be a good day. It's best to step aside. So this is the plan for tomorrow. There are no plans and hopefully I will not take a trade. Hopefully. So that's that. We'll meet again tomorrow evening. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself in trading. Jai Hind.